Hello. It has come to the point where I am literally making a video on a protein shaker bottle. And this is it. This is the Helimix. I don't even know what the model is called, but this is the protein shaker that I've been using for a while. This is my favorite one because you don't need those like little whisk balls that rattles everywhere whenever you do mix your protein in. But then it's also like another extra thing to wash. So I have this and we're gonna make a protein shake right now. This is just soy milk, 8 ounces of soy milk. And then I have my protein powder, which is the ISO 100 protein powder. It tastes like Fruity Pebbles. I think I just like chucked my microphone. So we literally just fill it up. There's measurements on the side. And then we drop in our protein powder. And all we do is just shake like a regular protein shaker. And what's nice about this one is how it's designed. Again, like there's no whisk, so when you shake up and down, the liquid sort of follows the flow of the bottle here and goes in this like helix sort of pattern, which is how it mixes the protein with your liquid of choice. So it doesn't really take that much, and that's pretty well mixed already. Again, I feel like with all of the protein shakers, even with the ones with the whisk, you will run into like little bits that aren't really mixed, like little clumps, like they're very small. I just got one, but I feel like that's just normal. You will have some clumps with your protein shaker. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I ordered a couple more. They're on sale right now. I think what happened is that Yeti bought out Helimix, and they're going on sale on their website as well as on Amazon. So I'll have an affiliate link to Amazon if you're interested, because I don't know how much longer the sale will last for. So this is, I don't know if this is one of them or if this is both of them, because I did order 2. This is just one of them. Very interesting. This is the smaller version. So this is the 20 ounce. I got the 20 ounce in black as well as the 28 ounce. So this is basically it. The only difference, besides the size, but the only difference is the tops, I believe. The colors are different. And the reason why I wanted like a smaller 20 ounce version is, you know, I just want to make a serving of a protein shake, and I don't need all of this. I think, wait, it says 12 and 20. I think, I'm not really sure what the capacity is for them, but this says 12, okay? And it says 20. So I'm just gonna say small and then the large version. But I wanted this one because, yeah, see, this one says it holds up to 20 ounces. But then there's markings from 4 ounces to 12 ounces, which I don't really get. So that's what it says here on the instructions. Basically, you must add the liquid first, then the desired supplement, and then close the lid tightly and shake vertically for the best results. Now, I don't know if it'll mix as well. It probably will. But my main concern is if I fill it up to 8 fluid ounces and then add in my protein shake, there's only so much room for the liquid to get mixed up, right? But I think with just like one serving, this is more than good enough. I think it's worth the investment. Like, I technically didn't need any more of these. This one protein shaker has lasted me for so long, and it's not gonna be, I don't think it's gonna give out anytime soon. It's built very well. It's plastic, but it's designed to the point where it's like, it's very clean, or very easy to clean. And the other shaker bottles out there, there's like little crevices where it's hard to clean and it can build up. And there is one protein shaker in my kitchen that has like that sort of buildup, and you have to clean it with like a small cleaning brush. So this, you could clean it all with like a sponge or the dishwasher. I think, I'm not sure, I don't have a dishwasher. So awesome. I'm glad that I got this. I don't even know when I'm gonna be receiving the other one. I honestly thought they would ship together. that's pretty much it for this video. Again, links in the description if you want to help support the channel. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.